Hello, little explorers. Today we're diving deep into the ocean to discover a rainbow of colors among the sea creatures. Let's start with the bright red octopus, waving hello with its 8 legs. Look at how it blends with the red coral. Next, we see the orange clownfish, just like Nemo. They love to swim in and out of their anemone homes. Now let's find something yellow. There's a yellow tangfish. It's so bright it looks like a swimming sun. Moving on, we spot a beautiful green sea turtle. It glides through the water, gentle and calm. What color is next? Blue. Here comes a blue tangfish, swimming fast and having fun. Have you ever seen a purple starfish? They're amazing and stick to rocks and coral. And look, a pink jellyfish floating gracefully with its long tentacles. The ocean is a magical place full of vibrant colors. Remember to look for these colors next time you think of the ocean. If you enjoyed exploring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Looking for more fun and educational activities for your little ones? Click the link below to visit a website with exciting, engaging items perfect for young children.